So from the last video, we had seen the section, okay, how we had taken here, okay. So just let us see the lintel, chhajja and all. In the question, what details they have given, let us see. The chhajja they have given 500 mm wide and 150 mm thick at the support and 80 mm thick at the free end. So here you can see this is 500 mm, okay. This is 500 mm wide. Here this is the free end, this is the support end. So at the support end it is 150 mm, at the free end it is 80 mm. This is about the chhajja, okay. And this is the lintel here. So you can see RCC lintel 150 mm thick and sill 100 mm thick of PCC 1:3:6, okay. So this is the lintel, okay. It is 150 mm thick. Here also you can see this is the door height 2.1 meter and this is the lintel 150 mm thick. Similarly here also this is the lintel, this is the chhajja, same dimension of chhajja as we have seen there, and this is the window height, okay, because the section is cutting through the window there. The window height is 1.5 meter, okay, and 1.2 meter was in width wise, okay. So this is 1.5 meter here, the height of the window. Here you can see this section, this window, it is cutting through this window, right? So the window height is 1.5 meter, so that is shown here. The window height is 1.5 meter and this is called the sill, okay. The sill is 0.100, that is 100 mm thick, okay. So this is called the sill, which is the bottom portion of the window. So this is sill. So then let us see the next part, okay, after seeing this. So how to draw this truss now, okay. So it is quite simple when we start from the bottom, okay, or you can start from the up also. So but it will be slightly complicated. So if you want to draw this bottom member, what is this member called? This is tie member. And what is the dimension? 90 by 90 by 10 mm. Let us see that here. See how the tie member is given in this manner, right? The horizontally. So now actually the tie member I can show you like this, okay. So this is the length of the tie member, okay. This will be the length of the tie member and this will be the cross section, okay. This will be the cross section. So this is 90 mm, okay, and this is 90 mm, and here I will show you the thickness, okay. So the thickness will be 8 mm. So I will show you this portion separately. I can show you like this, okay. So this thickness is 8 mm. This is 90 mm and this is 90 mm. So now you can see this portion is nothing but this portion, correct? So this is 90 mm. So scale 1:100, calculate the 90 mm, okay. So nearly it will be 0.1 centimeter. So that is what we have seen here. This is 0.1 centimeter thickness, sorry, not thickness, dimension. So just from this wall to this wall, continue here. Then choose exact middle point here, okay. We can see here, choose exact middle point, okay. So what is the height of the king post? It is 2 meter. So convert the 2 meter, okay, into the scale, okay. That will be 2000 mm, sorry, or 200 centimeter. So convert that scale 1:100, okay. So then this dimension, okay, what is this one? This is the strut member. And what is the strut member? 90 by 90 by 8. So 90 by 90 by 8 means what it will be? So see, this is the strut member. This will be the section here. At the bottom also like this. This will be the height of the strut, okay. Sorry, this is not the strut. Actually this is the king post. This is the king post, and even king post is having the same size, okay. In the question they have given the same size of the king post. So this is the king post height, okay, and upper part will be like this, okay. Upper part will be like this, the cross section. So if you see the cross section here, this is 90, this is 90, and if you take the thickness will be 8 mm. So what will be this? This is 90 mm, this is 90 mm, and the thickness is 8 mm, okay. So this will be 90 mm. So convert that into scale and give the thickness here. or give the width here. So this will be the king post here that we have seen here. Okay, then what we are going to do, just give the slope like this. So take slightly beyond this. Okay, so this is the AC sheet. Okay, this is the topmost here, or let us not take this AC sheet, let us take this as a principal rafter. Okay, so just let us take this as a principal rafter here. So from the top it is AC sheet. Okay, so from the top it is AC sheet. So it is not according to dimension because I am not able to use a scale here. Okay, the AC sheet, this thickness, what you are able to see here, this thickness you can give 0.1 centimeter or 0.2 centimeter. Okay, just below that there is principal rafter. So just below that principal rafter means that size is also 90 by 90 by 8 mm. Okay, the principal rafter size is also 90 by 90 by 8 mm. So then how we can do that? How is the principal rafter? It is inclined member, correct? Like this. So how to take the section here? It is like this, correct? So here also it will be like this, the section. So this size and the thickness size. So this portion also separately. So this will be 8 mm, okay, thickness. This will be 90 mm, this will be 90 mm.